everyone! Today we're going to do a quick, easy, and fun project using one of my favorite online platforms. It's called BeFunky. So you're going to go to befunky.com. You're going to go to Create, and you're going to choose Collage Maker because we are, in fact, going to make a collage, but not just any collage. So once you first get into here, this is what the interface looks like. You can import images from your own computer. If you click on the green button that says computer, say I wanted to upload, I don't know, one of my artworks. I would double click on that. There's the artwork. Open. And then it ends up in here. And I could drag and drop that over here. However, actually, if I click on it, I can remove it too. We are going to get festive. So I want you to choose a winter holiday. Could be Hanukkah, could be Kwanzaa, could be Christmas, could be winter solstice, whatever you're feeling. And we are going to create a collage based around that. Now, here's the cool thing. You don't just have to pull pictures off the internet. I could go into, say, Google and type in Christmas lights, because we all know I'm obsessed with glowy, glowy things. I could go to images. That's a lot of fun. I like this one. I could click on it. Or let me show you something real quick. Quicker way to get to just the image is to control right click on it. Hit copy image address. Copy and paste that in a new tab. It takes you to just the picture. And then you can control click save image as and save it on your desktop. That's a lot of steps though. If you want, and if you're not looking for something really specific, but just kind of pulling pictures you like, you can go over here into stock images, which is its own database. It's using Pexels, Pixabay, and Unsplash, all of which are websites me and my graphic design students work with. They've got a lot of cool pictures, and they're all free to use, which is the important part. So now I'm going to come up into my search bar here and search for Christmas lights. Oh, that's kind of fun. Still not what I'm looking for, though. Ooh, I like that a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and select that along with a couple other ones that I like. If you haven't guessed, I really like colored Christmas lights. And once I'm done, after I've selected them, that's cute too. I'm going to go ahead and hit X. And now those have been pulled into my images cache or dock, whatever you want to call it. And you just drag and drop. And of course, I want to spread them out so that I don't have too much of the same image right by each other. I could go in again to stock images. Ooh, that one's different. So I guess mine's going to be themed about Christmas lights, but you could make yours about anything you want with the holidays. I'm just being picky. Hang on. Ooh, that's fun. And again, I just X out. I have to make sure those are checked. And if I accidentally click on something I don't want, just click on it again to uncheck it. Those have been pulled into my image dock. And I can also adjust how far or how big that image is if I want to zoom in on it. I hit size. And I can zoom in and out on the present. Click out of there. I can rotate it. Or I could flip it. Do a little dance. And I could continue on until I have a bunch of pictures for my collage. Let's do a couple other ones. That one's a fun image. And that's really pretty too. Need just a few more. Like those. And I like that. So I'm going to go ahead and pull those in to my cream sauce collage. And these are looking pretty similar, so I'm going to break those up a bit and put those in there. And if I move one into another space, I can create a second one. If I need to undo something, I'm going to go to this button, which is undo. If I need to redo something, it's the opposite. Undo, redo. You can also change the layout. So right now I'm in Image Manager, but if you click on Customize, I could change the border color. I could change how thick the border is with the spacing. Maybe I don't want a border at all. Maybe I want a really thick one. That's up to you guys. The layouts, some of them have to be under the premium account, but there's a couple nice ones that are free. For the most part, I want you guys to stick with grid. And the ones with the star by them are not free. But the ones that... Hang tight a second, I'm in the wrong space. Well, there used to be more that are free. Let's see. Here's that one. It looks like they have changed it, so just 9x9. Sorry, guys. You can add patterns and stuff and play around with those. Graphics, like I could put a circle in the middle. Kind of like so. And I might even be able to add, yep, I can add text. I click in that text box. Add that. And we're going to change it to a nice fancy font. I'm going to make it bigger. No, that's not the button to make it bigger, guys. So if I click on it, there we go. So right now it's at 113 pixels. So I want to make it until it's big enough. Let's try 200. There we go. And maybe I want that to be white. Oh, that looks nice. And I can just drag and move that over. Like so. And there's my collage. I'm going to go up to Save, to Computer. I'm going to name it my Holiday Collage. Hit Save. That saves into my Downloads folder. Now say I was going to turn this in to my lovely teacher on Google Drive. I would go to Google Drive. I would go to my art folder. Yours would be in your drive. So say I was uploading into, we're going to pretend this is my art folder. It's not, but you know. I'm going to go to New, and I can either go into my Downloads, where I just saved that picture, or I can go, hang on, my computer's thinking. I'm going to do New File Upload, Downloads. I think I named it Holiday Collage. There it is. I can hit Open. And it should upload pretty quickly. And that's how you turn that in. Again, you don't have to do Christmas specifically. If there's another holiday you celebrate in the winter that you'd like to work with, you certainly can. If you go in to the Image Manager, I'm probably going to spell this terribly wrong, but if you celebrate Hanukkah, oh, wow, I really did not spell that right. We're going to Google how it's spelled. Yes. There's several different ways to spell it, I'm told. But it has all kinds of stuff. I've got dreidels, I've got the menorah, lots of different things. So, step 1, find some pictures you like on the stock images. You do not have to go searching for these on Google. Step 2, arrange them in a way that you like, that looks interesting. Step 3, play around with the graphics and the text to add something. Do you have to do it the same way I do? No, you don't have to do the big red ball that's covering my puppy dog, but it should be in there some way. You can add multiple graphics. Like maybe I want some nice, let me see something. Command C. I don't think you can copy and paste. Nope, can't copy and paste. So I could make another ellipse in the corner if I really wanted to like add a border. And that's basically it. Cool, cool.